This is the new MyPilotPro Aviator GoPro airplane mount. It attaches to existing inspection plates on any aircraft. The mount is a CNC milled aircraft aluminum billet, along with stainless steel hardware. The ram mount and ball allow you to point your camera at any angle and any direction. Attaching the Aviator to an inspection plate is easy and should involve your A&P mechanic and a simple logbook entry. I went to a hardware store and got a number 8 screw for installing the aluminum billet. Then I removed one of the inspection plate screws. I put the neoprene washer on and screwed the billet into the existing inspection plate threads. Now it's time to assemble the entire mount onto the puck, which includes the swivel arm halves, the swivel ball, and the stainless steel hardware. After putting the mount together, I tightened the wing nut, then inserted the stainless steel hairpin into the hole of the threaded bolt to ensure that the entire mount assembly won't come loose.